Hey guys, we're live at 6:44 running a battle for a very nice white Stormtrooper. I got 10 spots, as you can see him there, that I'm going to copy and run over here to random to find our winner. There's our 10 entries. Going to roll the dice. Got to get a 5 or better to play. Got a 9er. And we are good to go. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Josh takes round 1 and 2. Don takes round 3. Jeff 4. Josh again on top in round 5. Don round 6 and 7. Josh again on top in our next to last round, round 8, bringing us to the final round. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And our winner is Josh in at number 6. Congrats, Josh. Here's the verification. We'll make it legit. CBYEJZ. Josh Romero in at number 6 is the victor. I'm done at 6:45. There you have it. One last time, here's the results. Congrats to the winner. See you next time, guys. Thanks.